Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. I'm sharing the recipe of a cheesy bread with you, and this is a pull apart kind of bread. So I made some keto pavs or breads or dinner rolls the other day, and I'm going to use those to make this next recipe. So if you already have some keto bread, then this works great. If not, I'm going to link my recipe on the screen as well as in the description, so please take a look at that. It's a wonderful recipe, everything came out great, and if you make that bread, you can use it in so many different ways. So making the bread is actually more important than making this, but this is a great variation and this is something you would enjoy. So let's start the recipe. It is such a simple recipe, I don't need to talk in the middle or explain any of this. Just put any good quality cheese of your liking and this is going to taste delicious. You have to slather this with loads of butter, loads of garlic and cheese, and there you go. So here I have 1.5 tablespoon of ghee, to which I'm adding onions, bell peppers and tomatoes. And this is my dabba in which I keep all of my masalas or all of the meal prep that I need on a daily basis. So it's garlic, ginger garlic paste and stuff like that. I've also added some more bell peppers and I'm going to fry it a little bit, some coriander, and this is turmeric powder, some chili powder, and we're also going to add garam masala and salt after this is fried a little bit. Now in the meanwhile, I'm going to put my dinner rolls or pavs which I made using coconut flour to heat. These are some of the keto pavs that I made, and stay tuned till the end. I'm going to share the recipe here quickly, but you can always go to my video and watch it. It's going to be linked in the description as well as on the screen. So while those are heating, I'm going to also put some pav bhaji masala. If you don't have that, you can always use garam masala or any other store-bought masala that you have, and a little bit of salt. So now they look nice and brown. I'm going to place them in this dish, put the masala on top, and then you can put whatever you like. I'm going to put loads of mozzarella cheese, cover the buns up with the top, and you can put chaat masala if you like. You can also put raw onions. If you were not keto, you would be putting save on this. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's a deep fried chickpea snack which is completely crisp and delicious because it's made from chickpea flour, which has a lot of flavor, and you have to eat it to know what it is like. It's just so difficult to describe it. And then baking all of that in the oven till the cheese melts and it gets kind of gooey. Look at that. Now you're going to get it out and I'm going to show you one of those pavs, what it looks like. One cup of coconut flour and 3 tablespoons of psyllium husk powder with 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder, 6 egg whites, so 2.5 tablespoons of vinegar and 6 drops of stevia. And we are going to mix all of this together and then add a mixture of warm water and melted butter. Even after mixing it, you want to let it rest for 5 minutes when the psyllium husk will come to its maximum power and a dough will form. So now I have my buns formed. I have about 12 of them and my pan is too big. So what I did is I put a knife there under the parchment paper and I have 1 egg yolk beaten and I'm just applying that. This goes into the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 30 minutes. So I hope you guys will try this recipe out with anything of your choice. So you can even use a keto slice bread or anything like that and sort of cut it and bake it and then cut it into squares if you like it. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments section. Also share pictures on my social media handles. All the information is in the description. To see my favorite ingredients and gadgets in the kitchen, there is links in the description. You can click those. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and there's a notification bell. You actually need to click on all notifications to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. Also share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps me. Thanks for watching. Bye.